Gyrinops walla is rare and commercial valuable plant, found in wet zone of Sri Lanka. In this video you can study about Gyrinops walla plant. Gyrinops walla is an endemic tree. High demand for plant extracts from fungi-infected bark to be used in the perfume industry. Bark easily stripped for cordage. Wallapata is a medium-tall tree which grows up to 15 meters in height with straight, slender trunk and with a small, rounded or umbel crown. It has a thin, brownish-gray smooth and strongly fibrous bark. Due to this fibrous nature, its bark was used as a binding material by the villagers in the past. Twigs are slender and wiry, rather shining and chestnut-brown in color when young. Leaves are oblong and 3.0 to 9.0 centimeters x 1.2 to 5.0 centimeters with a short, rather abrupt, bluntish acumen up to 1 centimeter long. Petiole is short and 1 to 6 millimeters in length. Inflorescence is terminal or few-flowered with umbel-like heads. Pedicels are 3 to 4 millimeters and thinly pilose. Flowers are yellowish-white and the size of the calyx tube is 4 to 10 millimeters, which is narrow. Agarwood plantation. Agarwood is the sector's top-rate fragrant plantation species. It has a high-quality value, a totally sturdy marketplace worldwide. These timbers are brief-growing and may take as little as 7 years from planting the seeding to harvesting the bushes. The short-growing tropical tree requires excessive degree of management over the life of the plantation to make sure of suitable environment. Look at the Ceylon cinnamon cultivation around this area. This Gyrinops walla seeds 100% fresh. You can see this seeds pods are empty, because ants carrying this fresh seeds. The use of agarwood for perfume production extends back several thousands of years, and is referenced, for example, in the Old Testament several times using the term aloes. The resin is highly sought after for religious, medical, ceremonial and domestic activities by Asian Buddhists and Muslims. In addition to that, a large demand is seen for agarwood in Southeast Asia, Middle East and United States as a perfumery agent. The extreme value of the agarwood resin depends on the oleoresin content of the wood. For instance, first-grade agarwood is one of the most expensive natural raw materials in the world, with prices in consumer countries ranging from a few dollars per kilogram for low-quality material to more than $30,000 per kilogram for top-quality wood. Agarwood oil also fetches similarly high prices. Wallapata, scientifically known as Gyrinops walla, was a tree which had no commercial value a few years back suddenly came under the spotlight in Sri Lanka due to frequent effort on smuggling out of the country. The reason of smuggling was believed to be the resinous tissue called Agarwood, which is produced inside the stem of this particular tree. Look at the small white flowers. Aquilaria trees are native to Asia from northern India to Vietnam and Indonesia. However, none of the species of the Aquilaria genus has been recorded in Sri Lanka. Wallapata is the only member present in Sri Lanka of the genus Gyrinops. There are strong reasons to believe that Wallapata is endemic to Sri Lanka, mainly because evidences are not available on its presence of other countries. Agarwood oil. Agarwood oil is also known as oud oil or aloes wood oil. The fragrance of agarwood comes from a process where fungi infect the bushes, generating an oleoresin which saturates the wood. It is through this oleoresin-saturated timber in which oud develops its aroma, odor.
This video is presented by Senci Green Garden is Sri Lanka. We can supply 100% fresh Gyrinops walla seeds. We hope this you have studied something about this valuable plant. Thanks for the watching. Share this video with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel.